I'm gonna actually use these sewing needles. They have a little black, like circular, like round tip at the end of it. So I'm just gonna use these, and I'm gonna put them all around here. So if the camera can focus, it's just 250 of these sewing needles basically. So that's what I'm gonna be using. So this is the first of many. You can barely really notice the black end of it. It's right there. If you can see it, it's barely even noticeable. So do not use this mallet. See how bent up that is? So don't do that. I found it easier if you just grab the pin, you hold it like this, thumb on the bottom, and then you push against the wall and you push it in, and then that works. So as you can see, that's how I did these, and these are good. So again, you want to grab the needle at the very end of it like this, kind of sandwich it between your fingers, your bottom thumb underneath, and then with your other thumb, you apply pressure and you push it into the drywall. So again, you want to do that where there's no studs though. And there you go. Here's before. And this is after. This is the final look of my padded soundproofing wall thingamajigger. You like it, don't you? Oh, you like those too, huh? I got those from the Tampa Comic Cons. They look nice. Ooh. This is my favorite actually. I like this one better than I like that one. Just there's more detail in there, I guess. It's really nice. Look at the eyes. So this is how my room looks now. The padded walls, the soundproofing stuff, and this little line of Star Wars canvas art. They're 12 by 12. Luckily, they fit exactly in place of one of these squares, and I'm like, let me try it. So whenever you see my videos, you always see that one behind me, but there's actually three more, but that one's always behind me. I used to have this green screen over here, but I've since moved it over there. I have two actually. Just I don't know really what to do with it. I just put it there temporarily. I haven't really used it in any way. So then I put some more padding on the corners. This is a 96-inch kind of blackout noise reduction curtain. See how wrinkly it is. As soon as I got it from Amazon, I just put it up already, so I didn't bother cleaning it. Probably should have. Then I put another corner right here, and this is where I tested putting the panels up with the pins, so I just haven't moved them. And then I brought a retention rod and I put another curtain right here because I didn't want to cover the entire door, but I figured I need to put something in there to prevent like any noise from coming in. So I put a retention rod and put another curtain here. And then I have my little Pikachu hat here, just holding it in place, you know, so I can easily just walk in and walk out. Don't have to like keep moving them all the time. And then on top of the door, I put more panels. That's my room. This is my setup right here. Nothing too fancy. So, yep, that's my room. That's the final look of it. I don't really know what else to add just yet. If you have any suggestions on what I should add, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, hope you like this video. Hope you like my room. I kind of like the way it looks. I like, especially this section right here. I really like the way that looks. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you think I should add to my room. All right, peace. Yep, got him. I got somebody. Doing good.
Hey,
What should be?
going in?
Got him.